over the place.
That wasn't Get a picture of the four of them in the
What's that?
The four of them in the back corner. Come on now, down in front.
Everybody wave.
Bill needs to get through. Can't hear what you're saying.
That's all right.
Okay, is everybody off the ice that wants to be here? We just checked.
Probably don't even know
Fill
about
out. They wanted to be here. Who wants to compress?
No.
This is the original one. It was, wasn't it?
No, it was the original one was over there. Decompress.
This is here since we've had 4.
Just start ripping out wires, Phil. Cut the red one,
Okay.
Tim, don't find the left one. Hey now.
Every year.
It was above the waist.
What?
Where's more toast?
Well, go get them off the car. Yep. Every year, at the end of the season, we toast to our friend the compressor here and the compressor gods. That he has a nice sleep over the summer and he comes back to wake in the fall. Unfortunately, this year for us, or fortunately, our good friend, yes, please take your hats off. Please. Our good friend for the past 45 years is being moved to Pittsburgh to help our very good friends there start curling on real curling ice. So first of all, let's toast to the long life and continued long life of our dear friend here, Mr. Compressor. Okay, does anybody have any stories to tell about good dear Mr. Press?
Well, there was that.
Okay.
Phil.
Bill.
Oh, okay. Okay, we're going to do one more toast when we turn him off for the final time in the history of the Rochester Curling Club. On your mark, get set, go! For he's a jolly good fellow, for he's a jolly good fellow, for he's a jolly good fellow, which nobody can deny.
Wait a minute. It's a female. Name's Carrie.
All these years, Carrie.
Carrie.
She's a good girl.
It's a carrier.
Hopefully a week from today we will have our newest compressor. Summer curling!
It's molting.
So goodbye, dear friend.
Well, if the new one gets in time, we're going to turn it back on, and actually, we may actually have another night of curling. Whoa! Somewhere, not next week, but the week after.
You serious? We're not going to keep it on that long.
Next, it's going to take a week. It's going to take a